Hello everyone, welcome to STEAM Varsity. You must be surprised why I am sitting here with my eyes blindfolded. Well, today I will show you how coding can be learned without looking at screen. Yes, you heard it right, with CodeJumper. But first, let's take a moment to understand what CodeJumper is. CodeJumper is a physical programming language and educational tool to learn fundamental concepts of coding. This device particularly made for those who are visually impaired. It uses physical kit with colorful ports, wire and other component. Student can connect to create programs, to tell stories, poem and make music and more. Let me show you how it works. So this is the hub. It has two buttons and one rotating dial and 4 ports along the edge. The bigger button with triangular shape help you to start the code, and the smaller button with square shape help you to stop the code. And this rotating dial help you to increase and decrease the volume. Then we have different port. This port is named as play port. It has 2 buttons, one is long and rigid and second one is small and flattened. The long and rigid dial help you to change the time duration, and this flattened dial help you to change the sound. Let's connect it with hub. By plugging the code with hub, it plays the clicking sound. Let's connect another port. By connecting all the ports, you can see the code in the screen. By rotating the flat dial, you can change the sound.
Star, twinkle, star, twinkle, little. Little star.
By pressing the triangular shape button, you can listen the code.
Little star.
This is how CodeJumper works. It's a powerful tool that makes coding accessible to everyone. It shows us that programming is not just about keyboard and screen. It's about creativity and logic. I hope it's inspire you all to think about how technology can include every learner to promote diversity and inclusion in innovation education. Thank you so much.